How to work a cube in continuous rounds. To make a cube in continuous rounds, we are going to continue from the last tutorial where we made a square working in continuous rounds. I'll leave the link to that video above and in the description. After making the square, which will be the bottom or top of the cube, start working up. To go up in amigurumi, no matter what shape you are working on, work without increases or decreases all around. In my case, because I increased for 5 rounds, I'm going to work 36 single crochets all around. Continue to work without increases or decreases until you reach the desired height. I find that to make a perfect cube, the number of rows worked up should be double the ones where you increased. For this cube I increased for 5 rounds, so I'm going to work up without increases or decreases for 10 rounds. After the third round work without increases or decreases, you can see the cube starting to take shape. Continue to work up. To close the cube, start by working the same number of single crochets as in the last one where you increased. For me it was 3. Decrease working a single crochet 3 together. To work a single crochet 3 together, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, insert your hook into the next stitch one more time, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull the yarn through all the stitches on your hook, completing the single crochet 3 together. Work the same amount of stitches you worked between the first 2 corners on the last round where you increase. For me it was 6. Single crochet 3 together, repeat 3 times. To finish the round, work the same amount of stitches as in the beginning, 3 in my case. For the next round, work 2 single crochets, single crochet 3 together. Work 4 single crochets and single crochet 3 together. Repeat 3 times. To finish, work 2 single crochets. A few rules to keep in mind to turn your square into a cube. Work without increases and decreases to achieve the desired height for your cube. Always decrease starting on the last stitch before the decrease on the previous round. And the stitches between the decreases always decrease by 2. Begin to stuff. On the 18th round, work 1 single crochet, single crochet 3 together. Work 2 single crochets and single crochet 3 together, repeat 3 times. And to finish, work 1 single crochet. Reinforce the stuffing if needed. For the 19th and last round, work 4 single crochet 3 together. close, finish off, and within ends. And there you have it, one amigurumi cube. Next week I'll try different ways you can make a cube working in continuous rounds. I'll see you there!